In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate license in the state of Michigan. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to make a change, becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple, just follow these 5 steps. 1. In addition to being 18 years of age, you will also need a high school diploma or equivalent. A GED will work. 2. You will need to complete the 40 hours of pre-license education. 3. After you have completed the educational requirements, you are eligible to apply for your real estate license. 4. After your application has been approved and you have received an email from the state of Michigan, you can schedule your licensing exam with PSI. 5. In order to practice selling real estate, all licensees are required to obtain a sponsoring broker to work under. You will need to fill out some information about your new broker on the application before being issued a license. And that's it. In order to get a real estate license in the state, you must complete 40 hours of pre-license real estate education. Perry Real Estate College offers the courses 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam, administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion and state portion. Both sections must be passed with a 70% or higher. Once the test is passed, you will be given a couple forms. Those forms must be filled out with your new broker and sent into the commission with your license application. It is important to remember that your application will only stay open for a year, meaning you must complete the application process in under a year or you will be required to start the process again. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to finalize your real estate license application. You'll need to submit any required documentation and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Michigan Real Estate Commission's website. So that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate license in Michigan. It's a process that requires some dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out.